What's up guys, it's David Tutorials here. Today I'm going to give you a Google hack that you can try out on your phone. So you go to Google, search lion, search, scroll down till you see the lion, click view in 3D, click AR, tap the lion, let the phone scan the area. So scan the area and boom, you'll have a lion. You can even change how big he is. Just zoom in, pinch and squeeze and you'll find the good sized lion. Check this out. Right here. So it's me and my lion right here. Here's he right here. So if you thought that Google hack was cool, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share with a friend and see if they knew this trick.